Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. Today is Monday, January 5th, 2026. Today is the first day since Friday, January 2nd, that the court has been opened in Ada County, where we will be monitoring the docket to see if today will be the day when Judge Hippler's December 18th, 2025 court order directing the release of dozens upon dozens of documents that had been sealed in the case since January, February, and March of 2025 would be unsealed, consistent with the court's order. If you read the last item that appears on the court docket in Idaho versus Kohberger, filed December 18th, 2025, and it is that order unsealing, redacting, or maintaining sealed status of documents numbered 88 to 179. And if you read the first paragraph of that order, you will be told that on October 16th, 2025, the better part of 3 months ago, ladies and gentlemen, the court issued an order seeking the parties' position regarding the unsealing of the third set of documents identified therein as 88 through 179. And then there is a footnote, see third order seeking parties' position regarding sealed documents of October 16th, 2025, where documents that are only identified by number in this December 18th order are identified by title. So please look at that October 16th, 2025 order for further details regarding what is contained in paragraph A, page 1. This is entitled Documents to Unseal. 2 paragraphs here. First paragraph states, with regard to the following documents, the court received no objection by either party to their unsealing, and the court finds no further justification to warrant their continued sealed status. And there's a series of numbers here. And again, you have to go back to the October 16th order to determine what the titles are of these documents. Next paragraph. Under Section A, page 1, Documents to Unseal states, with regards to the following documents, the court received objections by one or both of the parties to their unsealing. However, after considering the objections, the court finds no further justification to warrant their continued sealed status. And again, there are a series of numbers relating to documents that are identified in the October 16th court order. So what happened in paragraph 1 under Section A is the court rendered a ruling 2.5 weeks ago, finding no further justification to continue to have these documents contained in that first paragraph sealed to the public. Second paragraph, the only difference here, still found no justification to keep sealing this from the public 2.5 weeks ago, but the court is stating that he overruled objections by one or both of the parties to render that ruling. If you look further in this court order, Section B, Documents to Maintain Sealed Status, there the court addresses the documents that will not be unsealed and gives the reasons why. Then finally, Section C, Documents to Unseal and Redact. Here the court says, with regard to the following documents, the court received objections by one or both parties to their unsealing. Having considered the objection, the court finds no further justification to warrant their continued sealed status, but finds the following redactions are necessary to balance the public's right to access with the privacy concerns implicated. And then if you read the rest of the order, you will see further documents that the court has ordered 2.5 weeks ago that he found no reason to continue sealing them, but with redactions. None of the documents appearing in Section C have been released to the public. Certain of the documents contained in Section A were released for a period of time on December 30th and then were removed with no explanation, no details as to why that happened. We are going to continue to monitor the docket today to see if this will be the day when the court's order will be comported with. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.